Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to translate subtitles. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to translate your subtitles, then it can efficiently be translated by using AI powered online tools like Maestra AI or CapCut or vidIQ. So once you simply use any of these third-party websites, you can simply upload your subtitles file, that is your SRT or VTT. After you have done this, you can choose auto translate them into over 100 languages. These tools allow for editing within a built-in editor before exporting the final file, ensuring accuracy and proper timing. So this way you can simply translate your subtitles using AI. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.